What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome to the kitchen. Happy pre-Mother's Day. I am doing what's called a hummingbird cake. I'm doing it my way. I'm going to give you the recipe, guys, and you just hook it up for your mom, okay? The only thing I'm really leaving out is the nuts. People use pecans, they use walnuts. We really don't like that in here, so I don't like anything with pecans, walnuts. I just don't like it. So this is why it's my hummingbird cake, my way, minus the nuts. Okay, so I'm just going to give my way. Got some bananas here. 3 bananas. They've been sitting for a while. The more riper they are, the more sweeter they are. You know how bananas get so sweet, the more ripe they are. So we're going to take a fork and just smash these bananas, guys. Your mom is going to love this. And again, if you like nuts, you can put in your pecans or your walnuts. But just going to mash this. I should have used potato smasher instead of my fork. I think potato smasher will work out good. My son ain't going to get me. Mom, what you say you be ready? I do be ready. Oh, guys, hope you guys are enjoying the contents that's going, the contents, like I said, the content that's been going up, you know. Trying to give you guys a little bit more. I'm coming to Atlanta. The feedback been wonderful, guys. Everybody been hitting me up. I posted on the community page, you know, what mall I'm going to be at on the 25th. I think it's called South Lake. From 1:30 to 3 in the food court. Look, I'm getting it smashed. And also getting the workout. Smash the bananas. 3 ripe bananas. So if you buy them Mother's Day Sunday, buy them. You need to start buying the bananas now. Buy them today. Today is Wednesday when you guys get in this video. So go buy about 4 bananas, 3 bananas, extras to eat. Just for yourself. Okay. That's good. It smells so good. Remember, the ingredients are going to be in the description below. Go in there with my oil. My eggs. And yes, you're supposed to crack eggs in a different bowl because you don't know whether or not you're going to get a bad egg or not. I've been doing it like this for so long. Sometimes I just forget. But if you want to crack yours in a different bowl, do that. I'm going in with some vanilla. Ooh, 2 teaspoons. And we're going to whisk. I'm going to whisk it all together. And with this recipe, you don't even have to use a blender. You could just use a whisk. Look at that. This looks so good. Then right after this, just whisk it up. And make sure everything is up in there. I'm going to give me a new metal whisk, guys. This one bent. Seen better days. I just don't like that plastic one. A 20-ounce can of crushed pineapples. You're going to put the juice and all in here. You're not going to drain it. This cake, this is going to be like the most moist cake ever. And if they don't have crush, you get chunks, put in the food processor, whatever you do, and just chunk it up. And we're just going to stir. Oh, this smells so good. And at this point, if you like the walnuts and you like the pecans, whichever you choose, you want to do maybe, it depends on you, maybe a ½ a cup of nuts at this point if you want to add in some nuts. But I'm leaving it here, no nuts. And I'm just mixing it well. Set that to the side. My dry ingredients, I use cake flour. So this is basically cake flour, baking powder, salt, and here's my spices. This is ginger and cinnamon. All going in here. And of course, I want about a teaspoon of nutmeg. Since I didn't have any, where's that? Okay. I got some ground nutmeg. I didn't have any, you know, the other kind. I can't think right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and grind some in here. But all you need is about a teaspoon of nutmeg. There you go. And I'm just going to stir it up with this, guys. And of course, you need your cake pans. This is going to make a 2-layer, 350. This is going to cook about 45 to 50 minutes. Because it has so much moist, you know, stuff in it. It's going to be really moist, and you want to make sure that it really gets done. Okay. I'm going to pour a little in at a time. Stir up my first half. Again, ooh, that smells good. The nutmeg, the ginger, the cinnamon. Look at that. Just do it a little bit at a time. I'm going in with my second half. This is quick, simple, and easy. My oven is already preheated at 350. This is a cake. It's springtime. It has fruit. It's refreshing. Your mom is going to love this. Then it's topped with cream cheese frosting. Come on now. So you guys will get it. It's all stirred up. I'm ready to remove the whisk. My pans are already greasy. I use Pam, Baker's Joy, or you just use some butter and flour. It's up to you. It's going to be a nice cake. Refreshing. Your mom is going to enjoy it. There you go. So let me pull. Here. And here. Oh, this is going to be so delicious. Okay, guys. This is going in the oven on 350. We'll be back when it's done. Okay, guys. We are back. Again, this is my version of a hummingbird cake. There's no nuts in this cake at all. If you like walnuts or pecans, you must definitely put it in. So the cakes are cool. They came out great. Look at these cakes. And I already made the cream cheese frosting. What I'm going to do, the link below, all the ingredients for this cake. The ingredients, how to make the frosting, but I'm also going to link my carrot cake, and I actually make this frosting in there with that carrot cake video in case you guys, you know, want to make a carrot cake instead of hummingbird cake. Both cakes are something that's good. Okay, so let's get started. I'll go in there with my frosting. Use the back of my spatula. Remember, I told you guys, I don't know how to make. I don't frosting cakes well. That's why I don't sell them. That's why I ain't making nobody no birthday cake. They want quality cake. I'm gonna give you a house cake. And these just been sitting and cooling, guys, for like, I don't know, maybe 2 hours. I just been chilling. You ain't gonna get this video until Wednesday. I told my son, take his time. I want the cakes to really cool down. I don't want it, I didn't want it to melt or anything. So I really wanted it to cool. This is going to be an open face cake. Right out the pan. Bam. I didn't even flip it. I'm going to go with some icing around the sides, but not a whole lot. This is what I want to do. So that I can move this. And when I say the whole house was smelling great, the whole house. I'm light coating around the sides. This whole house was like, what are you cooking? That's the bananas and the, oh my God, the pineapples. And this cake was smelling amazing. Your whole house is going to be smelling good, guys. So happy Mother's Day out there to everybody. Hope everybody have a nice holiday with your mom or whoever you call your mom. We all have second families, you know. I'm making a video. That's family, y'all. Okay, and that's all the frosting I want around the sides. Not a whole lot. You can still see through it. I'm gonna clean it up though. So, to that right there, I got some frosting here for the top. Take my spatula. For this top, it's going to be quick. It's going to be easy. This cake came out perfect. Is that perfect? Perfect. I don't know. Y'all know what I'm trying to say, right? But yeah. Of course you're going to see somebody eat it. Let you know what it tastes like. My version of hummingbird cake. It's springtime. You want something nice and refreshing. Cream cheese frosting is what? The bomb. So, I had some frosting in here on my tip. I'm just going to do some quick, try to decorate it a little bit. One. Again, this is my version of a hummingbird cake. I told you I don't want nuts in the inside, but just to decorate it, I have a little bit of walnuts. I had you guys. And right this way, they could like pluck it off, you know, pick it off. Not that many. Just a little decoration. Ooh, look at me. That's my hummingbird cake. Done my way. I don't like nuts. That's why I stick this in my mouth. And I said, oh, it's a nut. We'll be right back with the cut. Okay, guys, I found my scraper. And I just want to clean the sides up the way I wanted to look, the way I wanted to look. Yeah. I don't want them much fall. This is how I wanted to look. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is my hummingbird cake, guys. This is the end result of this. Now, I said we're going to cut it. You want to use this thumbnail, take the picture, or you want to cut it first? You want to use the thumbnail? So we're going to come back again. You can take your picture. Oh, take your picture. Why? It's like that. Do I need to move? Come on, stop. Wait. What you want me to do? I'm in the way of the picture? Okay, he said yeah. Okay, we're back. We had to take that picture for Instagram, you know, whatever. And for y'all, we had a good thumbnail, right? So, let's cut this hummingbird cake. But you guys can see what it looked like in the inside. Well, I can see what it looked like in the inside. Look at that. Perfect. It came out perfect. Oh my goodness. The bananas. You could taste the bananas. It's still warm. It tastes so good, guys. Mmm. Look at this cake. Until next time, guys, like, share, subscribe. Hit your bell to be notified. If you don't get your bell, we're here every day, Monday through Saturday. Until next time, Soul Squad, I'm out.